The third graders learned how to use place value strategies when they're subtracting numbers. If they had a problem like 132 take away 34, they can rewrite the problem vertically, or up and down. 132 take away 34. Then they learned how to expand the numbers. 100 by their place, plus 30, plus 2 to show their value. And then in the number 34, we do not have any hundreds, so that's plus 30, and then plus 4 ones. Then after the numbers are expanded to show the value of the digits according to their place, they can then subtract. But they also learned that they may need to regroup by place value. So if I have 2 take away 4 in my ones column here, I cannot subtract 4 from 2 because 4 is a bigger number. Therefore, I'm going to go to my tens place and I'm going to regroup a 10. And I have 30 take away 10, which is 20. And I'm going to regroup that 10 into the ones column so that I can subtract here. I have 12 take away 4, which is 8 ones. I'll put my addition sign so I can show my expanded number. And then I'm going to subtract my tens. I have 20 take away 30. I cannot take away 30 from 20 because 20 is a smaller number. Therefore, I need to regroup again. And I'm going to go to my hundreds place. I have 100. I'm going to subtract 100 from the hundreds place. And I'm going to move my 100 and regroup it over into the tens place here. And so I have 120 take away 30 now, which equals 90. 90 plus 8 equals 98. And so 132 take away 34 is 98. Here's another example. I have another problem where I can use place value strategies to subtract numbers. First, I'm going to rewrite the problem vertically or up and down. 678 take away 143. I then can expand my numbers. I have 600 plus 70 plus 8. Take away 100 plus 40 plus 3. I'm going to start in my ones column. I have 8 take away 3. I can subtract 3 from 8, so I'm going to go ahead and subtract my ones. 8 take away 3 is 5. I'm going to put my addition sign to show my expanding number. Then I have 70 take away 40. I can take away 40 from 70, which equals 30. I have 600 take away 100, which equals 500. And if I smush my number back together, I have 535. And that is my difference. We also learned how to subtract when we have zeros. If I have a number like 1,000, take away 679, we learned how to expand our numbers. I have 1,000 plus 0 hundreds plus 0 tens plus 0 ones. Take away no 1,000 in 600 plus 600 plus 70 and then plus 9 ones. That's 679, and I'm subtracting that from 1,000. And we learned to start in the ones place. If I have 0 ones, I have 0 ones here, so I'm going to look to my tens place, nothing there. I'm going to knock next door, nothing in the hundreds to regroup, but I do have 1,000 to regroup. So I'm going to do it one step at a time. I have 1,000. I'm going to subtract 1,000, and I'm going to move it to my hundreds place. So I have 1,000 here. Now I'm going to look to my tens. I cannot subtract. Well, I could subtract my hundreds and then I could regroup again, but we can also do all of our regrouping before we subtract. So that's what I'm going to do today. I have 1,000 here, and I need 100 in my tens place in order to subtract the 70. So I am going to subtract 100 from my 1,000, and I am left with 900. I move that 100 over to the tens place, so I have enough to subtract. I regrouped here. I have 100. But now I still need a 10 for my ones place because I cannot subtract 9 from 0. So I am going to subtract a 10 from 100. I'm left with 90. And I move that 10 over. Now I'm all set. All of my top numbers are bigger than my smaller numbers. And I use place value to help me regroup. 10 take away 9 equals 1. 90 take away 70 is 20. 900 take away 600 is 300. And then finally, I don't have anything in my thousands column after I regrouped. I have 321, which is my difference.